Is it just me, Mark, or don't you just love seeing the finished product go down?
Oh, I like to see a product like this go down, Alan. It's whenever you put it down, you're done with it. No staining, no painting. You're done.
Well, let me tell you, I know we've shown you composite decking before, but let me tell you why I like this particular one. This is Fiberon's Horizon series. It's very rich, an Ipe. The composite core, you can see it right in here, 74% recycled material. That's very environmentally friendly. It's wrapped in this, what's called Permatech, which gives the industry's very first 20-year stain and fade warranty. Now, you couple this with something like the hidden fastener system like this. And hey, Mark, while we're on the subject of this, how tough is it to install these?
Oh, it's easy as it can be. You just take your clip, tap it in with your hammer. Stainless steel screw in it. And that's it.
One of the things I love about these hidden fastener systems is that they make a deck look more like a finished interior floor than a deck. And once they're all in, he chalks a line where the edge will be and makes one long straight cut to give it a uniform appearance. Fiberon supplies an edge dressing to coat these exposed edges so that they match the finish of the boards.